Hi guys, I'm back. So guys, dito na ako sa work. Malapit na pala. Lakad-lakad muna. So yan guys, ang lamig. It's too cold, I don't know why. Look at this, that's why I always, it's too boring always wearing jacket. Actually, naiinis na ako kasi palagi na lang may jacket. Yan guys, ang area. Hindi na natin may show yung ating beauty. That's why. So anyway, ganun talaga ang weather dito sa Germany. Sobrang lamig. Pasok na ako sa loob guys. Ayan. So, maraming tao ngayon. So now, I'm now in the kitchen guys. You see? Now it's clean because I am the one who's working. And kasi, that's why